Hey guys, so I'm going to just show you how I do grades on my student. So you go over to this little A plus thing, click grades, gradebook, and then I'm going to score the exit ticket from today. So I'd click on add an assignment, and then my personal code is I do M1 for module 1, and then it was lesson 4, and then I write what the topic is that's listed at the bottom, just like in a short few words. So size of the group in division, so that if I'm talking to a parent or just looking at how the kids did, then I know what it was on. So I scored this out of 6 points, and then that's the only thing that I fill out. I think if I wanted to double count a score in, for example, social studies and writing, I think that I would just click the other box that I want. So for example, if I was in social studies, this would already be grayed out like math is, and then I would also click writing, and I think it would automatically put it there. I'm not 100%, but then save. And then I just have my papers like already in ABC order by last name. So I just plug and play, and you can see it gives you the percentage right here. So if I didn't know the percentage or needed to know it, then I would just look right there to get it. So then when you're all done, usually it automatically saves as you go, but you can just click in a blank box or somewhere else. And so this is grade right now. So I think it's automatically saved. But whenever it's red, I click on it just to make sure, but like we'll make sure. So let me go to something else and let me pop back over to math. And what I had done is still there. And then if you ever want to print your grades, then it's just here. I always print with names. Obviously, if you're going to give it to a parent, you probably wouldn't do this, but this is how I print my grades to turn in. And then the print icon, and then you just print it and you've got it. So that's basically it.